You go first.
You first. Body fight.
Open the flag.
Hero World.
Dungeon World.
My body is Mirror, Hero, Mask, Vantage, and Blazer Frail. I will protect the gorgeous Rose.
Perforating Trickstar Pit.
That's a long name. Draw. Charge and draw. Set White Claw, Rose and Frail Rose. Cast like superhero time.
No, no item yet.
Ah, doesn't need item, sorry. Transform. One damage. It's superhero. Okay, one game. Copy one life. Look at the top 3 cards of your deck. Put one among them into your hand, put the rest to gauge. Cast. Your effect to draw extra.
Can only because of the final phase. Only final phase.
If you are transformed into this card. If you are transformed.
Sorry.
One gauge. Draw 2 cards. I only transform one, so I don't have gauge to tap, right?
Gain 2, deal 2. Okay.
Call Winter Soldier Light Form Blazer Frill. Put a superhero in from your drop zone into 2. Maybe 1 gauge. Got Uniform Warrior Laser Frill. Okay.
What is the effect of the set spell?
All superhero win
Can't be destroyed by...
by monster's effect. When a superhero win is returned to hand, gain 2 draw card.
Okay.
Cast. This is Hyper Energy. Put up to 1 Hyper Energy card from your deck to hand. Shuffle your deck and draw a card. Is this considered drive?
No, it's transformed.
Cast Hyper Energy.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Battle.
No.
Attack you for 2. Counter. During my attack phase, return up to 2.
Yes.
Superhero win and call
A one.
to one superior ruin monster by paying its cost, draw a card. Returned, gain 2. Draw 1 card.
Okay. Your ban mas returns to hand. My turn. Draw. Charge and cast unfreezing. Even left. Look top 3. Put 1 to hand. The rest to the bottom. Tempting Trickster. Yan. Payment each. Search deck for 1 trap monster. Call. Remote Trickster. Lone remote revival body. All trap cannot be destroyed or returned to hand. And abilities cannot be nulled. When I cast a trap, deal 2 damage. I draw 2 cards, deal 2 damage. And all my trap get power 10,000, defense 10,000. Double attack. Equip. Trap maker. Pay 1 life. Cast Dangerous Fuse. Look at the top 2 cards of the deck. Reveal 1 a card to opponent. Return the cards face down. Shuffle. Ayan. When you select the correct card, at the same card as what I revealed, I put the 2 cards into my hand. If not, the 2 goes to the gauge.
If correct, it goes to your hand.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
Stress.
I casted the trap, deal 2 damage. I draw 2 cards.
Down to 9.
And all of them get 10k power defense and 10,000 power and double attack. Set. Trap up. Entering battle phase. Entering battle phase.
Go.
Attack center.
Return. No.
Yes.
Attack negates and then call. Draw card. Returns. 2, and then draw card.
Attack center. Double attack.
Transform. And engage.
Defense check.
6.
6. Attack for 4. Link attack.
Nullify. I'm not impact transform.
Link attack for 4. Again.
For 4. Counter. You engage. Draw 2 cards.
Only during your turn.
If you are okay. 4.
Yes.
7.
Turn end.
Draw.
Stand.
Charge and draw. Draw a card. Impact transform should be during final phase, right?
Yes.
Familiar clicks. You engage, search for a hero win.
I counter. Recover Veil. Gauge 2.
What happens with the offer?
Yeah, they just put Gauge 2. What happened to Blitz? Oversight. Okay. I can see the body.
How am I gonna play with this? Okay. Battle phase. Power.
5,000. Defense 5,000.
This one has power plus 3,000.
So what's the total power?
Side.
5. Here. So counter. destroy. I cast a trap. Draw 2. Deal 2. Power plus defense 10,000. I cast a trap.
Mm-hmm.
Choose a card on the field and put this to drop zone. You do gauge 1, destroy the card, and deal 2 damage. No, it's a set spell effect, not monster effect, so it can be destroyed.
Hmm. Oh wait, you countered this one, right? Can I counter with that? You countered with a card
But
destroyed. Then
yeah, you could, but everything is resolved already. Like, I have resolved this, I have resolved this.
uh,
Why? What would they have done?
I'm just gonna cast something.
You could, you should have.
Hmm. Counter call. Engage. Reduce by 2, power plus 8,000, critical plus 1.
Depends how much.
6 plus 8.
Defense?
Defense 3.
Cast. Defense. When defense is less than 4,000, rest.
Can I count arrest? Set double attack.
It's already 15,000.
50?
Yes, because I cast the trap spell.
8 plus 3 plus 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
She's the only one who gets the bonus. Not all superhero.
Counter. Return. Trigger. Cut. Engage. For 2.
Skill. Counter. If the top revealed card is trap, nullify the attack. Trap.
For 3.
Not 5. Or 4.
4. Only plus 1.
Okay. Counter. Trap.
Hmm. Call. Oh,
Yeah, size 2 only. Okay. Center?
Mhm.
Wait, how much depends? Wait. Yeah. You call center, Wait, cut.
Oh,
Come.
wait.
Size 2. Counter. We put in center rest.
You asked me, right?
Yeah, you confirmed it. You said yes.
No. What? They'll put it in the center. Alright, I am my turn.
No. Charge him now.
I missed again.
Cut. Dangerous fuse.
Ooh.
Guess. This one.
Mhm.
Yeah. Thank you. I cast a trap. Deal 2. I draw 2 cards. And everyone gets 6,000. Cast dangerous bed of damage. I can only cast 6 light per list. Destroy a monster on your opponent's field. If you do, put top equal to the size. 2. Engage. Entering battle phase.
Hmm.
Move.